Nestled in the calm core of the Kaapsehoop Reserve, a botanical wonder silently thrived. This was the Kaapsehoop Cycad, a living testament to the resilience of nature, which had adopted this remote sanctuary as its home over the years. The once lively hub during the era of the gold rush, Kaapsehoop, became a realm of isolation and inaccessibility when the gold veins ran dry. The town was left deserted, a ghost town cradled in the vast wilderness. In the early 1970s, an estimated 1,700 cycads were concealed, kept as a well-guarded secret. However, the course of time alters all, and the dusty, precarious road that once posed a danger during rainy seasons was replaced with a smooth tar road. This alteration made the mountain haven accessible for weekend adventurers, reviving the lifeless town and turning it into a captivating tourist hotspot, attracting nature enthusiasts and history buffs alike. The Kaapsehoop Cycad stood at the heart of this transformation, embodying enduring life, emanating hope, and serving as a reminder of nature's unyielding strength. A concealed gem shrouded in the veil of forgotten history, Kaapsehoop now shines brightly, unveiling its ancient marvel, the Kaapsehoop Cycad, to the world. This exposure unfortunately attracted the attention of poachers, stoking mankind's greed, and has brought this species to the brink of extinction in the wild. It can no longer reproduce naturally, rendering it functionally extinct. A 2020 assessment report on the health of the Kaapsehoop Cycad, later published by the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species in 2022, sadly estimated only 6 to 11 of these plants remain in the wild. Have you ever stopped to wonder about the existence of a plant species that predates the dinosaurs? A species that has survived 3 mass extinctions and yet stands tall today? The world of cycads, an ancient group of seed plants with a history dating back 280 million years. The Encephalatos laevifolius, or as it's commonly known, the Kaapsehoop Cycad, is awe-inspiring. Towering with slender stems up to 3 to 4 meters high, this cycad is a distinctive sight, with its compact leaf bases and long bluish-green leaves that curve gracefully downward. Although they might resemble palms or tree ferns to the untrained eye, cycads are a class apart. They have trunks, leaves, and cones, but never flowers. They thrived during the Jurassic period, a time fittingly known as the Age of Cycads. Despite their resilience and age-old existence, cycads are under threat today. Modern human actions have pushed these plants towards an extinction crisis, particularly in South Africa. The magnificent Kaapsehoop Cycad finds itself on the endangered list, underlining the urgent need for conservation efforts. The life cycle of these plants is fascinating. Male and female plants produce cones, with males shedding pollen from September to November and females releasing seeds from January to March. This cycad species thrives in regions with high summer rainfall. Despite its toxicity, indigenous people used it for bread making. However, it's not just about appreciating the aesthetic appeal of the cycad. It's also about understanding the significance of conservation. Cycads, including the Encephalatos laevifolius, face threats due to habitat loss and illegal harvesting. Let it be known that it's illegal to take cycads from the wild, and the penalties can be severe, including jail time. So, as we admire these ancient treasures, it's imperative to remember that their survival is in our hands. The cycads and other endangered species need our help. It's up to us to ensure that these natural wonders continue to grace our world for generations to come. In conclusion, cycads are not just an ancient group of plants. They are living testimonies of our planet's history, survivors of mass extinctions, and a symbol of resilience. It's high time we recognize their value, understand their plight, and take active steps towards their conservation. Brought to you by Kaapsehoop.net.